DPR Cares is a fundraiser for our office, Dallas Preston Road, the Dallas Preston Road. And we raise money, this raises money to help agents who have some kind of a family crisis. For example, one of our agents, Terry Bauer, had to have a liver transplant earlier this year. And this helped her pay for her mortgage and so she could buy groceries and pay her insurance. I mean, it was incredibly valuable for her. And other agents that have had other family crises and or their immediate families. Janice Moore had a brother who had to have a kidney transplant. This kind of funding helps for people like that. So it's a great organization, and we love our Dallas Preston Road. So to Dallas Preston Road, to DPR Cares.
Hi, I'm Christina. I am part of the culture committee that helped put this event up together, and we're just very excited about the turnout, about all the donations that are being made, the fun that people have. The silent auction is always a hit. I'm just very excited about this whole event. Well, we're just always trying to raise some money for our fund at our own office, which is actually a KW-wide thing. So each office has their own fund that over each year they try to raise money to help our own associates in trouble if there's any catastrophe happening or anything. So we're very excited to put an exciting event together where people can enjoy their time and give them money. So we have different tables set up. We have silent auction options to donate the money, and yeah, we're just having a great time. I'm very happy about the turnout. People are extremely excited, having a great time. It is always fun to see the end product of everything we've planned, and then people actually dressing up, people being excited about the event itself. And marking it in their calendars and asking for the next one as soon as the first event ends. People are immediately asking for the next one. So we're very excited that it's so well received.
Williams has a national organization, KW Cares, that helps people, but it's a grant program and it has to be applied for and it takes some time. So the beautiful thing about DPR Cares is we have funds sitting in an account ready to go right now. So when something strikes that causes an agent to maybe not be able to work, because we are self-employed, we're not working, we don't have income. So whether that's a tragedy in their family, something with their house, income, illness, we're here to help, and we can act quickly for that. And it's just been such a blessing. We all hope that we never have to be that recipient, but when you are, I know it's been such a blessing to so many people, and we're like family, so we take care of our family.
We're Keller Williams, Dallas Preston Road. But again, overall, we're part of the Keller Williams family and the Go Network, right? But again, we open our arms to everyone, regardless of whether you're with our real estate family or not.
I'm wearing Calvin Klein. It's my go-to. And so proud to be a part of KW Cares fundraiser. This is our third annual Casino Night. I tell you what, we're going to have to do number 4 pretty quick. Thank you very much for donating your time and your money to a worthy cause. Salute. Well, we tell them that this is a chance to take care of our own. We just had an agent that had a liver transplant, and we were able to help her through the difficult times. There's a lot of need, and we hope that we don't have to raise any more money for things like that, but it's the right thing to do, and I appreciate all of you guys showing up. It's been a success. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is my first time in this event, and me being first time, I really love the energy here, the different things that you can do from casino to appetizers, and most of all, the drinks is everything. Me being a client for Keller Williams, but also have an advocacy, is the best thing that I can ever invest here in Dallas. So I can't wait to do more and see more of what Keller Williams and the DPR can do for the community.
We're here at our casino night. We've got so many, look right here, beautiful, all right, beautiful people out, right? Everybody's having a great time. It's so much fun to see people dressed it up, right? We see them in the office, and seeing. Okay, there you go, right? Even the fellas are looking good, the ladies are looking fabulous. We're having a fun time, really celebrating each other, getting out of the office. That's what's fun, celebrating culture, giving. That's what makes this place special, right?
Exciting night. Yeah, so excited to be here. It was
great. There was so much people, tons of people, so much fun.
Every table's full, everybody's playing.
Yeah.
Don't make any money in there?
No.
We were good.
I would like to talk about my experience here with Keller Williams DPR. It's just, it's a fantastic culture. And that was the main thing that I wanted to find when I looked for a brokerage. People who care about you, people who inspire you, people who collaborate with you, not compete. Keller Williams Dallas Preston Road is my home for real estate. I've looked at a lot of other brokerages out there and nothing fit just quite right until I came here. So I urge, if you're an agent out there and you're hoping to find a great family to join for your real estate journey, this is the place to come. Thank you.
real money. I would have missed a bill the moment we recorded.